We are gonna be unboxing the smallest vacuum in the world. At least the smallest we could find in the world. Oh, I'm so excited. So we're going to start with the small things, then we'll go to the main thing. So I don't know what this is. I think it's the thing to pick up the thingy of the charger. Whatever this thing is. Brush. Wait. Moment of silence. Perfect. Manual. This thing is so tiny. Oh my god. So there are two pieces, this one and this one, which these two can go in here. Literally, look at how much dirt it has. We found the smallest vacuum in the world.